In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Cigar in Infinite Craft. To get started, go ahead and open Infinite Craft on your device. And here, go ahead and drag Earth and Wind on your canvas and mix it together to be able to create a dust. Now, on the dust, go ahead and add another element. Get it from the right side of your screen. Get the fire element and mix it with dust to create ash. Now, after you've created ash, go ahead and drag water. Mix it with earth to create a plant. Now mix the plant and ash to be able to create a tobacco. So go ahead and drag plant and mix it with ash. After that, go ahead and add 2 water on your canvas to be able to create a lake. So drag that 2 water and mix it together to create a lake. After creating the lake, go ahead and add dust to your canvas. So go ahead and drag dust to your canvas. Mix it with the lake to create mud and mix the mud with the tobacco to create a cigar. Go ahead and drag mud and mix it with the tobacco by putting it above the tobacco. And once it's mixed, you'll be able to get a cigar. And that is how you can simply make a cigar in Infinite Craft. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like.